Hey, you guys. You can't see me, but it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Yes, it's finally here. This is the September BOXYCHARM Premium Box, and it is literally the 27th of September. I wrote BOXYCHARM like 4 times, like, where's my box? It was like 3 weeks late. They were like, oh, we took a long time to process. So here we are at the end of September. So let's look at what's inside here. The 2 choices were not that exciting, but at least it was something, and they were both name brand. So let's get into this bitch. All right, my blue premium. Woo! Oh, look, paper. That's nice. Let's see. This month is Strut Your Runway, because it's your world and we're just living in it. Okay. All the stuff, what you get, and the prices. We'll go through those as we go through the items. All right. Okay. Well, I see I didn't get one of the things that I wanted from the spoilers, but let's go ahead. Let's just start with this one. This looks like a Dear Midnight Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo in Blackest Night and Starlight. Kind of like this box. Very pretty. I can always use more black eyeliner. If you've been following me for a while, I go through it like water. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, let's see here. Oof. That's like a silver. That's pretty. Oh, not the smoothest on, but okay. And looks like this one might be a black, not a liquid line. Well, that one went on better. Okay. No liquid liners, but for my waterline, that could be something pretty decent. So, okay, I guess I'm all right with it. You want me to read the damn copy? Let's see here. Dear Midnight Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo. This eyeliner duo contains 2 creamy, long-wearing, intensely pigmented pencil eyeliners that are perfect for creating clean, precise lines. I don't know about that. For all over as an eyeshadow. $38 retail. Jesus. Okay. Hey, look, I'm going to give it a shot because I'm a black eyeliner girl. So, all right. And let's see. NARS. Okay. This is a lipstick. Wasn't expecting that. The thing I did want that I didn't choose, but I saw everyone else getting, was a Glam Glow facial cleanser, because the other facial cleanser I got in 2 boxes prior is almost out, and I was like, man, it'd be great to get another cleanser, but I guess I got a NARS lipstick. It is in the shade Blonde Venus, and it's a satin lipstick. Not too shabby. Let's see what she looks like. Oof. Whoa. Okay. Oh, pretty red packaging. All right. What? Okay, NARS. Well, it is a very pretty color. Yeah. I mean, the fact that it was nicked is not great, but I mean, I guess I could use that. It's not too bad. It's a pretty fall color. Definitely cute packaging. I can put it in my collection and be like, oh, look, I have a NARS lipstick. Let's read the copy on this bitch. NARS Iconic Lipstick. No rules, just lips. A new formula. This dynamic blend of morning and passion fruit seed oils enhances color, vibrancy, and conditions lips for a radically lightweight wear and unprecedented feel. Endless artistry, infinite expression. Retails for $26. Okay, I'll use it. All right, let's go into this one. I was excited to get this one. This is an Elemis Superfood Vinegar Liquid Glow. I think it's like a toner. And if I remember correctly from some of the spoiler videos, it's in one of those pump bottles, which I am really excited about. I love using toner after facial cleanser just to get that last little bit of gunk out. So that's really, really cool. Oh shit, don't open it like that. Yeah, see, it's like one of those pump bottles that you can just set on your vanity and use a cotton thing and press down. So I'm pretty excited about that one. I heard Elemis is really, really nice. Let's read the copy. Elemis Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow, infused with glow-getting AHAs derived from apple vinegar, apricot, and peach. The gently exfoliating formula reveals a radiant, smoother-looking complexion with improved clarity and texture. This refreshing toner removes every trace of visible pollution and helps minimize the appearance of pores. Okay, I'm down with that. A natural prebiotic helps support and maintain the skin's microbiome, whilst prickly pear cactus nourishes the skin with vitamin and antioxidant-rich nutrients. Mild enough for the twice daily use, this glow-boosting toner leaves the skin feeling balanced and looking radiant. Retails for $36. Not too mad about that one. I am definitely going to use that. All right, let's get into my choices. So my choice was this Patrick Ta, I think it's called Lip Shine, and I got it in the shade She's Expensive because, you know. I don't own any Patrick Ta, so I thought it was cool that I got to choose my very first one. Oh, look how pretty that is. Beautiful packaging. I think this is like kind of like a lip gloss. I don't think it has any color. I think it's literally just, yeah, it's just like a shine. Oh, that's pretty. Let me see. Yeah, it's like a oily lip gloss. Well, it's kind of sticky, but I am definitely going to give that a shot. I bet you it looks pretty on the lips. Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine. Here's the tea. This 12-hour waterproof and smudge-proof retractable. Oh, wait, nope, that's it. That is totally not the right copy. Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine, a universally flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a balm for zero stickiness and all shine. This retails for $22. I'm happy to have it. I am going to give it a shot. Maybe I can use it in a future video so you guys can check out what that looks like. So I'm okay with that. And then my other choice is a one size brow pencil. I was kind of excited for this. I actually use the one size remover balm for my eye makeup, and I like it pretty much. This is called Dark Brown in 06. I love micro brow pencils, so this did really appeal to me. I know it's not like a big item to have as a choice, but I'm still very excited to try it. Let's see how easy it goes on. Okay, so yeah, I can draw some hairs in there. Let's see, what does the copy say? This is the one I started reading, but I fucked up. Let's see, Patrick Ta, nope, I did it again. Oh my Lord, One Size by Patrick Starr, Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil. Here's the tea. This 12-hour waterproof and smudge-proof retractable brow pencil has a sturdy precision tip for next level detailing. Fill in the blanks with this real hair-like strokes to amp up your brows for any kiki. Retails for $19. So that is pretty cool. Excited to try that. Thanks, BOXYCHARM, because I don't think I would have bought this on my own, but so glad to try. And then the last item, of course, this was the big spoiler on all of the YouTube videos and Instagram. So this is an iconic London eyeshadow palette. It's called Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. I'm not too familiar with iconic London products. I hear they're high end, but I just wanted to make sure. And don't you know, I found a palette that looked really similar on Amazon for like $13. So I don't know how high end it is, but they did look really pretty on all of the videos that I saw. So here is the palette. Yeah, I mean, I've got a lot of these colors already, but you know, never tried this formula before. So we're gonna give this a shot. I have a high-end makeup video coming up, so I think this is what I'm going to use as my eyeshadow in that video. So be on the lookout for that, where I'll actually put some of these bitches on. But, you know, it's pretty. Comes with a mirror. Oh, yeah. Let me read the copy here. This iconic iconic London Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. This is the perfect dance floor companion, no matter where you're headed, featuring 20 new highly pigmented shades to suit every skin tone. It will leave you spoilt for choice. Stuff. This velvety soft texture and selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters, I will not be using the glitters, will make your eye pop from day to night. It retails for $62. All right, we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so just round out the inventory and check the prices. We got the iconic London Desk to Dance palette, which retails for $62. We got the Elemis toner that retails for $36. We got the NARS lipstick that retails for $26. We got the Dear Midnight Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo, which retails for $38. We got the One Size by Patrick Star Eyebrow Pencil, which retails for $19. And we got the Patrick Ta Lip Shine, which retails for $22. If we add all of that up, we have a value of $203. I think, if I can remember what I typed in the calculator. So, I don't know, I guess this is like a pretty decent box. It's like not too bad. I will probably use all of the things in here. Because of my prepay for the 6 months, I believe I paid around $35 for this box, so still a good value. Just want something a little more exciting in here, BOXYCHARM. You got me with that first box with that Ofra face palette, and ever since then I've been kind of let down. But this looks real pretty, you know? Like, I will say that since this is the end of September, I've already made my October choices. And if you didn't know or you don't follow BOXYCHARM, the October box for premium is a Tarte takeover. Now, I love me some Tarte products. If you've been following me, I'm kind of a Tarte fan. However, the two products that I got to choose from were medium, so I don't know how that's going to go. I have been seeing some spoilers of what is included, and I think they could have probably pushed it a little bit further to make it more interesting. But come October, we shall see. Of course, you'll get another unboxing video. You could please like this video. It really does help me out. If you could comment on any of these products that you used, if there's any tips or tricks that I can use because I've not used any of these yet, that would be awesomer. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so much. Oh, that looks like shit. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.